Welcome to this tutorial on the throw statement in PowerShell. In this video, you'll learn how to generate custom errors and take control of error handling in your scripts. The throw statement is a powerful tool that allows you to create meaningful error messages and stop script execution when something goes wrong. Throw is a PowerShell statement that lets you manually generate errors in your scripts. Unlike errors that PowerShell creates automatically when something fails, throw gives you complete control over when and why your code should stop execution. This is incredibly useful when you need to validate inputs, check conditions, or enforce business rules in your scripts. The syntax for throw is extremely simple. You can use throw followed by a message in quotes, like throw quote something went wrong exclamation mark quote. You can also use throw without any message at all, which will simply stop execution. When you throw an error with a message, PowerShell displays that message to help identify what went wrong. Here's a practical example of using throw for input validation. This function called set-userAge accepts an age parameter. Before setting the age, it checks if the value is less than 0 or greater than 150. If the age is outside this range, the function throws an error with the message quote age must be between 0 and 150 quote. This prevents invalid data from being processed and makes your scripts more reliable. Throw is flexible and can accept different types of objects. You can throw a simple string message, a number like 404, or even a complete exception object. When throwing an exception object, you specify the exception type in square brackets, such as system.argumentException, followed by your custom message. This gives you fine-grained control over the type of error you're generating. For advanced error handling, you can create custom error records with detailed information. First, create an exception object using new -object. Then define an error ID, an error category from the error category enumeration, and a target object. Finally, create an error record object by passing all these components to new -object and throw that error record. This approach provides comprehensive error information that can be caught and handled by try-catch blocks. It's important to understand the difference between throw and write-error. Throw stops execution immediately and terminates the script. Once a throw statement is encountered, no code after it will run. On the other hand, write-error logs an error message but continues executing the rest of your script. Use throw when you need to halt execution due to a critical problem, and use write-error when you want to log issues but keep the script running. Let's recap the key points. Use throw to stop execution when errors occur in your scripts. Throw accepts strings, numbers, and exception objects, giving you flexibility in how you generate errors. You can create custom error records for detailed error information that includes exception types, error IDs, categories, and target objects. Finally, remember that throw terminates script execution, while write-error continues execution. Understanding these concepts will help you build more robust and reliable PowerShell scripts.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.